Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 3.5, Problem 7. This is Section 3.5, Problem 7. We have 0.3 divided into 135. Now, when the decimal is in the number in front of the division symbol, you have to move it so that it comes to the end or far right of the number in front of the division symbol. Now, in order to do that, you have to take the decimal from the number that's under the division symbol and move it the same number of places. There's no decimal written in 135, so you can assume it's at the end, 135.0 if you like. And now if I move the decimal one position for the number in front, I have to move it one position also for the number under the symbol. So we basically rewrite this problem as 3 divided into 1350. Now it doesn't have any decimals at all. Now, 3 divides into 1, it just doesn't. 1's not big enough. 3 divides into 13 4 times. 4 times 3 is 12. 13 minus 12 is 1. The next digit over is a 5. You bring that down next to the 1. 3 divides into 15 5 times. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 minus 15 is 0. The next 0 comes down. And there's no decimal, so we have to continue this division. 3 fits into 0, well, 0 times. 0 times 3 is 0. Goes in nice and even. So the answer is 450. 135 divided by 0.3 is 450. And again, the way you have to do that is move the decimal the same number of places for the number in front of the division symbol as the number under the division symbol.